Hey everybody, here's a cool idea. Just wanted to share with you. And what we're doing here is we are taking some leftover baked potatoes. I cut them up maybe into, I don't know, 8 or 10 pieces each, so little kind of bite-sized pieces. And then I've been sauteing those in a little bit of olive oil. And then I threw in some fresh onion and a little bit of garlic, minced garlic, okay? So not fresh garlic, just minced garlic. And sometimes I like this because it gives a nice little crunchy taste to the dish. And then I chopped up, after this was cooking for a little bit, and remember the potatoes are already cooked, so basically we're just browning them, so it's a nice, easy, quick meal. And then what I did was cut up a zucchini. And again, about the same size pieces as the potatoes, maybe just a little bit bigger. It depends which end of the zucchini it was. So, and then I'm just doing a little kind of quick stir fry here. So this is something you could do at home, and you could make it in less than 10 minutes. I'm going to have this as a side dish here because tonight we are going to have some great tenderloin steaks from high country grass-fed beef. Okay, so that's my friend Connie, who has her farm, family farm, they've had it in the family for over 200 years, and they're down in Daddle, New Mexico, which is close to the Arizona border, west of Socorro. Anyway, we're going to have a couple of those, and then this is going to be our side dish. And I don't know if you noticed this, but just another little hint here. This is just a small little tenderloin of beef. It's about 1/4 of a pound. And that's all we're having. It's about 4 ounces, which is, you know, you get a 1/4 pounder hamburger. That's what you would get. But that's plenty of protein, especially for a nice weeknight meal. We're not having a big, huge dinner, just something quick. So I'm just going to saute those up in this same cast iron pan as soon as my potatoes and zucchini are done, which is just going to take 2 or 3 more minutes for the zucchini to kind of get warmed through, and they'll still be a little bit crunchy. That'll be nice. And then I'll just take those out, put them on some plates, stick them in the oven, keep them warm. And the steaks are pretty small, so they'll only take 5 or 6 minutes. So here we have 15 to 20 minutes, and we've got a nice little Mountain Man gourmet dinner here with some beef tenderloin, grass-fed beef from my friends down at High Country Grass-Fed Beef, and also some really nice leftover baked potatoes, but with some fresh onion, fresh zucchini, and a little bit of minced garlic, and I forgot to mention some fresh rosemary also from our herb garden here at the house. So there's a nice quick little meal idea for you. Hope you enjoyed that. This is Lawrence from Mountain Man Gourmet signing off. Hope to see you soon. In the meantime, live well, eat well, and be happy.